Hi, I'm Tim Gardner, the founder and CEO of Riffyn. I'm excited to talk to you today about intelligent process development, an emerging field that seeks to achieve right first-time scale-up and scale-out of manufacturing processes for bioproducts. IPD combines four overlapping industry initiatives: Quality by Design, Pharma 4.0, the S88, S95 standards, and computer-aided design and manufacturing principles, all of which are combined together to deliver predictive models of product quality and process performance. The reason we need intelligent process development is because manufacturing and the development of manufacturing processes has actually become a bottleneck in commercialization of new therapies. Our advances in molecular design and development and accelerated clinical trials have put enormous pressure on getting those molecules to market quickly. And that's centering on manufacturing itself. Typically, it can take 1 to 2 years, possibly even longer, to develop a new therapeutic for manufacturing. And this is in part because it takes multiple attempts, multiple shots on goal to get these processes right. And that's very expensive and very time-consuming.